Welcome. Today I'm there with bookkeeping and my topic is admission of partners. What is admission of partner? Simple concept that there are two partners, one more partner is admitted. So now there are three partners, right? Why is he admitted? That's a question. Yeah, he's admitted for getting more capital. सबको पैसा चाहिए ना? So for more capital he is admitted. Not only for that, he's also admitted for getting new skill, new techniques, new ideas. He may come with new ideas. That's why he is admitted as a new partner. Okay. Now the question arises कि will he get the share of previous profits? No, he will not get share of previous profit. Obvious reason, जो काम उसने नहीं किया है उसका पैसा उसको नहीं मिलेगा, right? So general reserve, profit and loss account, then reserve fund, whatever which is connected to previous year, he will not get it. Okay? Yes. And now, which accounts are prepared and how many? 4 accounts are prepared. Number 1, revaluation account. Number 2, capital account, or you can say partners capital account. Number 3, cash account, and number 4, balance sheet. Yes, whenever balance sheet is there, it has to tally. Liability side, asset side should tally. Okay? If it tallies, then most of the time your question is correct. Most of the times, it's not always. Now time allotted. 20 minutes is the time allotted for this question. लगा के clock लगा के 20 minutes solve करना है. Okay? And out of this 15 minutes will be your posting time and 5 minutes for totaling. Profit, balancing, tallying, etc. etc. So most of the times, if it is easy question, you can finish it in 20 minutes. थोड़ा difficult हो तो ठीक है, 5 मिनट ज़्यादा देते हैं. But don't waste more time in that. Otherwise, it is going to affect your next question. क्योंकि हम कतार में और कौन है? Final account कतार में है. And other questions are there. NPO है, non-profit association, right? Okay. Don't get confused. We'll focus only on this. I'm not going to teach all at a time. बहुत बोल लिया मैंने. Let us start with the question. Be ready with your notebook, pen and scale. Yes, scale is required today because we want 4 accounts to be prepared. Okay? Like me, share me, subscribe me, and let us start with the question. Yes. Before starting, which accounts are prepared? I already told कि 4 accounts are prepared. In between, I'm going to explain कि what to do, what will be the easy method. तो कैमरा बीच बीच में मेरी तरफ आएगा, बीच बीच में कैमरा नोटबुक की तरफ जाएगा. Okay? Again, you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp or you can ask me by commenting. WhatsApp will be easy because you always message me over there, right? Yes, happy Gudi Padwa. Everybody's inbox was flooded with Gudi Padwa message, right? Okay, chalo. Now start with the question. Can you see the... Yeah, these 4 accounts are prepared and this is... Here is the question. See. Clear or not? Clear, na? Yeah. Sujata and Purnima, these are old partners. See, Sujata and Purnima are old partners and they share profits and losses equally. You can read the question afterwards. I am not going to read all this for you. Okay? Otherwise, हमारा वीडियो 1 घंटे का हो जाएगा. Okay? चलो. Balance sheet is given with liabilities and asset side. Yeah. You can take a snapshot if you want. Snapshot of the question so it is easy for you to understand while solving. Okay, goodwill is given, everything is given. नाउ अकाउंट टू बी प्रिपेयर. फटाफट से मेरे साथ ये 4 अकाउंट्स प्रिपेयर करो. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, कैपिटल अकाउंट, cash account, and here is a balance sheet. Okay, these are the 3 accounts prepared. Yes, ledger accounts, you know the format. Papa, particular amount. Mostly सब short form use करते थे college में. PAPA, papa. Particular amount. तो draw the account and write down papa. Draw capital account, write down particulars and name of partners. Again, cash account with papa. And balance sheet with liabilities and assets. Done with the format? You can slow down the speed of the video if you want, or also increase the speed. Depends upon your speed. Okay. Now let us come to first side. Step number 1. Capital account, Sujata and Purnima. Look at the amount 1 lakh and 1,40,000. Just remember, Sujata 1 lakh and Purnima 1,40,000. What to do with this? See, I am keeping here so that you can see both. This is a question and this is my capital account. Okay. So by balance brought down 1 lakh and 1,40,000. I have just started. And just check how many zeros you are putting. Okay, most of the students make mistakes in zeros and everything goes wrong. Even if they have written correctly, everything goes wrong. Now creditors and bills payable. If these amounts are there, these are your liability items, right? So liability, yes, this is balance sheet. This is liability side, right? Leave some line for capital and write down creditors. What is the amount of creditor? 34,000. Put 0 with proper commas. And bills payable. What is the amount? Bills payable amount is 26,000. See, I have recorded the amount in the question. Whatever which was given in the question. So like this, my liability side is over. Okay, this was the first part. Now I have to record all asset sides. In asset sides, I have to see whether there is any adjustment regarding or what. See, first adjustment is goodwill. This is not connected with this. Second adjustment is a capital, not connected. Third adjustment is debtor. हाँ बाबा, debtors पे adjustment है तो star mark करो. Okay, star mark करो because there is adjustment. Then land and building is also there. So again star mark. Stock is also there. सब पर ही है. And plant and machinery. So wherever adjustment is there, you have to star mark it. Okay. Done. Now posting of all these. These are all assets at the item. So I will record all these on asset side. Okay. Yes, this is a question. This is a question and I am writing all these in asset side. Now what about this star marked? Whatever I have marked as a star, this star pattern will be recorded in inner column or inner side. Okay. So suppose land and building is there. Land and building. Building का short form चलता है 60,000. See, I am here there was star mark. Yes, so I have recorded on inner side with one small underline so that I can do adjustments. Then plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 70,000. Star mark है? Yes, star mark है. Underline, leave one line. After that, furniture. Furniture पे कुछ भी नहीं है तो write in outer column. Furniture directly in the outer column. 24,000. Okay. Yes, can you see this? Now debtors. Star mark है या नहीं है? Debtors. Yes. There is a star mark. So write in the inner column. Fine. Debtors 26,000. Stock. Stock की बारी आई. Check your star mark. Yes, it is there. again in inner column. And last is cash. Cash is never recorded in balance sheet because we have separate account for cash. See, we have opened a separate account for cash, that is this. What is the amount of cash? Yeah, look at the question here. It's here. It's here. 80,000. So I'll record 80,000 to balance brought down. Okay. Now, this was my step number 1. I have recorded all liability side items and recorded all asset side items. This part is over. जहाँ पे स्टार मार्क है वो सब इनर कॉलम में लिख लेना है. Fine. Now, regarding adjustments, all adjustments are now connected with either depreciation or appreciation. Depreciation बोले तो what? Yes, the value of asset decreases or diminishes. And appreciation बोले तो the value of asset rises up. Value of asset rises up. Okay, so in case of depreciation, you have to minus. And in case of appreciation, you have to plus. Okay, chal. Continuing with the adjustment number 1. Now, what is my adjustment number 1? See. Clear hai na? Yeah. Goodwill is valued at 2 lakhs and Aparna brings her share of goodwill in cash. Goodwill is valued at 2 lakhs and Aparna's share. तो अपर्णा का शेयर कितना है? See, there is 1/5 share. This share is always given in the adjustment. 1/5 share. Now see, here I will do one small working note regarding goodwill. Regarding goodwill. Okay. This is my working note. Here I'll write 2 lakhs as a goodwill and I will find 1/5 share. You can just divide by 5 also. That is also easy. So division. 5 2s are 20. 5 4s are 20. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros will come. So what is my answer? Yes, 40,000 is my answer. So her goodwill amount is this 40,000. Correct? Now what is the entry? Goodwill entry is cash account debit to goodwill account. So I will write here to goodwill account. This will be in cash column. Amount 40,000. Fine. And goodwill ka second effect. Just remember one thing. This goodwill carries second effect which is recorded in by capital account. And entry is by goodwill. What is the entry? It is by goodwill. Now, what to do with this goodwill? Goodwill is always distributed. Goodwill is always distributed. Among whom? Among old partners. See, new partner को तो ठेंगा है. New partner को पूरा ठेंगा होता है. New partner को कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. His profit, everything starts from next year. Okay. So, what is the amount of goodwill? Yes, 40,000. Distribute it. And what is the ratio? Equal. So, divided by 2 करो. 40,000 का half. कितना? 20,000 and 20,000. Correct? Adjustment number 1 is over. Now, adjustment number 2. This is over. Tick mark. Adjustment number 2. Aparna brings 1 lakh as a capital. 1 lakh as a capital. देखो capital का entry है. Capital entry is capital account credit side by cash or bank. You can say anything. Amount will come in Aparna's column 1 lakh. Okay. And cash or bank has a second effect in cash account debit side. Entry will be to